Hi everyone, this is Sarah. I'm sharing with you a very delicious rice recipe. All my friends keep asking me about it. It's mainly rice and vermicelli, and the ingredients will be in the description box and I will explain them further throughout the video. Make sure you watch it till the end. On a medium heat, I will add around half tablespoon of olive oil. Then I will be adding the vermicelli. It can be replaced with Orzo. The quantity is around third of a cup. I will give it a quick fry. I want it to be golden brown in color. And then in the middle, I will be adding a quarter of a teaspoon of cumin seeds. It makes it very fragrant and gives it a very delicious smell. This is the color I desire for it. It can be lighter according to your preference, but this is my preferred color, amber yellow. This is a trick I learned from my mother. To make it more delicious, I add a teaspoon of butter. It's already pre-cubed and pre-proportioned, so it's a lot easier for me to use. Then I will be adding the rice. It's triple washed until it has clear water. Then I give it a quick stir one more time to make sure it's coated with all the deliciousness of the olive oil and the butter. Then I add 2 cups of boiling water. I'm using long grain basmati rice, and the ratio I use for that, for each 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of boiling water. Then I add 1 teaspoon of salt. Well, what's on the top is floating cumin seeds. They are toasted with the vermicelli. Once it gets to a boil, I cover it and lower the heat. Now it's cooked 15 minutes later, and how it's fluffy and delicious, and each grain is on its own very fluffy and it's fragrant, like very appetizing. This final step is optional. I like to add like a quarter of teaspoon of ground black pepper. It gives it an extra layer of flavor. So I complete it with a side of mixed vegetables and cubed meat, and it makes a very delicious dinner. I also combine that with a side salad, a Mediterranean salad of cucumber and tomato, and the recipe you will find it in the channel. Please try it and tell me what you think about it. Thank you.